Okay, today we're taking another look at Florianopolis, but this time the downtown central area. That looks a little different too. All right, so we did a live with the iPhone. It died. We ran the battery out, but we're here in the city, man, and it's pretty dope. Like, there's some people doing capoeira over there. What I want to do is I want to come back and get the actual good camera out and film it properly. A lot of this area over here, I think, will be done better justice with a better setup. You know, we can control a little bit of it. But either way, man, like, you can still see a lot of these trees, murals. I think what we'll do is we'll cross over, and we came from down there before, so what we want to do is go up and maybe go over, cross in that way. But this park is the 15th of November. So it's called, that's what the street right there is called. I still got a lot of research to do on the history of Brazil and Florianopolis, but I'm assuming that's a very significant date. Maybe, I know this area is the founding area of the city. Yeah, so this is I guess this must be one of the main avenues of the city historically. I think it's not even 11 o'clock yet. It's a pretty good amount of activity out here. We got something going on here. We might be here. Okay, let's see what's going on. The carnival is over, but I don't know what this is. Continue walking, nothing too crazy. Head down here. Okay, I see they got capoeira going on everywhere. Let's see what happens here. right there on the mall, on the street. So that's kind of cool. I didn't expect to see any of that. But I think like I said, we gotta bring the other stuff back, get it captured a little bit better. So that sign down there says it's 31 degrees Celsius. I think that's pretty hot. That's like, you get 31, you're getting above 82 for sure. Must be, I'm thinking 85-ish, 88 maybe even. I still need to, as much as I travel, I should be tight on my Celsius conversions. At least the hard numbers, right? Like 30 should mean something. This breeze coming through is nice though. So I might need to buy some socks, something. I might try to do that. It's funny that here in Florianopolis, like I didn't expect to see capoeira. You know, it originated from the slaves of Brazil, right? So I thought maybe that would be just in the northern area of Brazil. But I guess that part of the culture has come down here too. Because what we just saw there wasn't the only capoeira that I saw out here. I saw another group getting ready. Looked like a bigger group, and they were in front of the historic building by the park at 15th of November. So I think it's pretty big out here from what I'm seeing. Another look at the city, another park right here in the middle. I don't know, man. I'm actually starting to feel this city a little bit. You know, has these nice parks and everything, nice murals, artwork getting done. Let's see. Let's go through this area here and see if we can film something. I know this park right here kind of reminds me of a skater park. Look, we got like a skater park, but with some botanical stuff going on. Maybe a little bit neglected, but it's still pretty good. Got a little bit of graffiti on the stuff here, but that is going to happen when you have a lot of people. Got a park here, you got more exercise equipment. Got a lot of, so this is basically all the stuff you need to see in the city. That's what I'm assuming. All the stuff you can see. Oh yeah. Let us continue on. Yeah, this park is not the best maintained park, but it's chill. At least during the day, it's pretty chill. Like there's quite a bit of, you know, it's close to everything. So the main street there that we just came from, a lot of shopping there and all that. Look at that thing, man. It looks crazy. Like I don't want to touch it type of crazy. Let's head back down. I don't want to walk up any more hills right now. I'm gonna get this mural properly. All right. So back at it. I went to that shop there, right there, and they had I was just trying to buy some socks and some underwear, man. They were a little bit expensive, more than I thought they should be. For 3 socks, like $10. I'm walking up a hill again. I didn't want to be walking up a hill. I wanted to stay flat. So I think what I'll end up doing is, you know what, we going up. We already at the top of this hill, we going up. They got a lot of shops over here. So this street, I think might be the street my hotel is on. I think my hotel is right up here. Yeah, it is. Because I remember this barbershop. Tennis club. Yep. We'll go in here and maybe get a drink. Whew. Oh, yeah. All right, so talking with the hotel staff. Hey, hold up. Look at this building right here. That's dope. I guess this is a central executive building. Looks like a dentist operation right there. But I wonder about them buildings. Those are apartments up there. That'd be dope. Got good views. It all depends on the price though. All depends on the price. Another hotel right there. So you do see some here in the city. You do see some places boarded up, barred up, but I'm assuming those are mostly businesses. And down here in the city central, I think a lot of this island, you see people with homes and there's no anything blocking their views, walls or anything like that, which is kind of cool. Oh, okay. He said, I smell like chocolate. He said the place is called something Allemand, like Bakery of Germany. So he said it should be down here. Let me see. I don't see any other bakeries, signs for bakeries. But he said it's on the left. He said it's on the left here somewhere. Oh, okay. I think I see it at the end there. It's down there. All right, we'll go in and check that out. Aquí. Okay, they get their own delivery cars and everything. They must be serious about it. Dude said this is the best bakery, so we'll try it out. Cool. All right, let's just get something. One thing I didn't even notice is they got a lot of civil police out here that they're just around. Yeah, I guess you can see them behind me. But for the most part, they're just making sure that nothing crazy goes on from what I'm seeing. I actually met some police officers one of the first days I was here, and they informed me that this area is really safe. Maybe be a little bit of adventurous with this camera versus some other places where that'd be more of an issue. This is a, what is that? That looks a little different too. I don't know. Let's see what we got. I believe that's some type of small plantain. What that is? It's plátanos, ¿sí? Plátanos. Okay. Ah, okay, that's the normal plantain. Yeah. Right, so it's pretty hot out here. If you're gonna be out here, it's during the middle of the day. It's pretty warm. But yeah, here we are. We'll cross right quick. Head over to this church and maybe take a look inside, see what it is. A nice all around scenes here. Cathedral. I don't think we can, no cameras permitted inside. Another look at the park. All right, and that was just another look at the park. Still downtown Florianopolis. Like I said, from here, you're still only about a 20-minute ride from some very beautiful beaches. And it's kind of unique, I'd say, to have like a city with some historic history, colonial buildings, like the one behind me and some of these over there, and then still have such plethora of amazing beaches that close. Make sure you subscribe and check in often, because we will be going around the island of Florianopolis and seeing what else the island has to offer.